Hi there, I'm Chris Shaw with Focal Naim America. I'm the North American product specialist for Focal and Naim, and we are here partnered with EQ Audio, one of our Focal Powered by Naim partners here at the Toronto Audio Fest 2024. Now, what's really exciting about the show is that this is the world public debut of the Focal Utopia Diva. What is really exciting about this is that this is the first product where we are partnering Focal and Naim together into a single product. Now with Focal Utopia, or Diva Utopia, is that this is a product that we like to use the word simplicity, something that is traditionally complex and where we've made it simple. The fact is that this is our first active wireless high-end speaker. So what you see is what you need. With this as simple as just two speakers. There is no electronics, there is no cabling, it is simple. With this is that we have two models. We have a primary and a secondary. Diva Utopia is a lifestyle product with a high-end DNA or an audiophile DNA. Fact is that we are using our best technologies from both Focal and Naim into this single unit. That being said, we have new beryllium and profile dome tweeter. We are still utilizing our W sandwich cone, which we are best known for in Sopra and Utopia products. And with this, a full new, completely new design in cabinetry, as well as amplification and electronics architecture. This project has been a 5-year project, or 5-year collaboration between the two companies, between both, again, Focal and Naim. So with this, new drivers, new application, as well as that an all-in-one solution. In our primary unit, this houses our DSP, our streamer, our DAC, and 4 Class A/B amplifiers, all with every speaker having its own amplification. On our secondary, we include an additional DSP, DAC, and an additional 4 amplifiers, giving us a total wattage of 800 watts between both products. Now, as I mentioned earlier, that this is a lifestyle product. This is everything from the connectivity, where we have HDMI, we can connect directly to a flat panel TV. We have analog inputs for maybe if you are a vinyl lover and want to tie in your phono stage, and optical if we say you have another device like a CD player. But we also need to integrate on a cosmetic side. And so with this is that probably the most notable feature is the felt fabric. This is stemming from the luxury goods market. Companies like Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Gucci, they are using this in high-end fashion. And that is why we have decided to go with this. But we know that felt may not be for everybody. And so in early 2025, we will be releasing optional accessory panels, allowing your Focal Powered by Naim dealer to change the paneling to something that fits better to your decor. Again, this is a lifestyle product that we're excited to have. So let's take a listen.
Vibrations of tremors that shook long ago. Tear holes in the fabric of all that we know. Can't survive with the secrets we have. All that we have is a lie. Hold the line till the thread comes undone. If you're thinking of letting me go, then it's time that you do. If you're thinking of letting me go, then it's time that you do. If you're thinking of letting me go, bloodlines we etched when we merged into one.
So with this product, we understood that, again, people want simplicity, or we want something that's amazing but in a simple format. And so with this is that we have developed this to be in every lifestyle or every home in Canada and the US, or in the world, really. The fact is that we can make this as wired or as wireless as required. With that being on the wireless side, it's as simple as plugging into the wall, tying them onto your network with our Focal powered by our Focal Naim app, and doing a couple of 8 steps setup with the DSP. So within 15 to 20 minutes, you could be up and running. Now, the DSP itself is very, very unique. The fact is that we understand that not every environment is going to be absolutely perfect. We may have a wall of glass windows. We may have the product actually potentially shifted to one side or the other. And so the DSP actually utilizes an 8-step process utilizing your ears. So it's as simple as a few simple measurements: cabinet to the back wall, cabinet to the side walls, and we do that independently based on the fact that we also know that they may, as we mentioned, may not be centered. And then from there, we play test tones. And so we do roughly about 6 test tones, where we line the test tones up into our listing position based on our hearing. From there, we will then actually adjust the amplitude of tones, and we go through about 8, I believe it's 6 different steps. And once we have those all set, is that we are now set based on your positioning, on your hearing. So the Diva itself is designed as a 3-way speaker, giving us a frequency range from 27 hertz all the way up to 40 kilohertz. What's very unique is obviously the sides, is that it's not really noticeable right off the bat. Is that obviously we have the beryllium tweeter at the top, we have the 6.5-inch W sandwich cone mid-range, but down the sides we have 4 6.5s in a push application. Now this stems back to our original Diva that we launched back in 2002 with very similar designs, and so this is kind of a revitalization of the previous product that we've had in the past. Now with that is that we have that low end extension all the way down to 27 hertz, and this is done not only by the 4 6.5s, but also the fact that we have this ported out the bottom and firing forward. So very easy for positioning. We do not have any rear firing ports on this, which allows us to push these speakers back into the wall if need be, again fitting into your lifestyle. So with that is that this is our Diva Utopia, and of course, if you need more information, we obviously have our website, focal.com, and in the near future, we will be shipping these exclusively to our Focal Powered by Naim stores throughout Canada and US. Thank you.